guys, welcome to Fiction Kitchen. This is the Portsmouth Public Library's program that makes great recipes from amazing books and other fiction. Today we're going to be focusing on Kingdom Hearts. Now Kingdom Hearts is a series of video games, manga, and light novels, which are kind of like Japanese YA books. And it's a series that is really great for kind of all ages because it takes influence from the Disney universe, lots of really cool Disney characters, and characters from other games like the Final Fantasy universe. There's really like high action gameplay and a really crazy plot. So, one treat that pops up over and over again throughout that series is this blue sea salt ice cream. And the first time I saw this, I knew I had to try it. So I'm gonna show you an easy way to make this where you don't even need an ice cream maker. Let's get started.
Okay, here's what you need. 1 cup of whole milk, 3/4 cup granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 2 cups heavy cream. Then you're going to want to get some sea salt or flaky salt, about 3/4 teaspoon. Then get blue and green food coloring. And that's up to you if you want it to be colored. All right, to get started, you're going to get a medium bowl and we're going to add 3/4 of a cup of white granulated sugar. Next, we're going to add 1 cup of whole milk. You do want to get whole milk instead of like 2% because you want it to be extra creamy. Now, you want to use a mixer on low and you want to blend the sugar and the milk together. Now, you're going to do this for about 1 to 2 minutes until you don't have any more little granules of sugar. It should dissolve completely. Once you've done that, you're going to add 2 whole cups of heavy whipping cream, or sometimes just called heavy cream. Now you're going to measure and add 2 teaspoons of imitation vanilla flavor or vanilla, whatever you have. Now, if you wanted to make this a different flavor, you could add in like chocolate sauce or strawberry syrup or whatever you wanted at this point. Now give this a quick mix. You do not want to whip this too long because then you'll make whipped cream. Now we're going to add in our food coloring. If you want to get that same kind of iconic bluish green color, you want to do a 2-to-1 ratio. Here we're adding 6 drops of blue with 3 drops of green. Again, you can color this whatever you want or don't add any coloring at all. Like I said before, mix this around until it changes color, but don't mix too long or else you're going to start making whipped cream. This sort of bluey green is the color that I'm looking for. Now you're going to add your salt. This is totally up to you. I like salty and sweet, so I added a little bit more, about 3/4 of a teaspoon. I wouldn't go much more than that. You can go anywhere between 1/4 to about 3/4 teaspoons. Again, give it a quick mix. You want the salt to dissolve a little bit, and then you're good to go. Now that we have our mixture made, get a metal tin of some kind. This is a metal pie tin. You can also get any kind of metal dish that you might have. And then you're gonna fill it so that the bottom is just covered. Maybe about 1/2 inch worth of the mixture in whatever container you're using. You do wanna use a metal container because it helps it to freeze better. And once you have however much you're gonna put in, you're gonna take this and put it into the freezer. Now, I have enough mixture here to make about 3 to 4 of these pie tins worth. If you're using a bigger container, you might use all of it in one go. It's okay either way, just make sure that you have room in your freezer for whatever you're using. After about a half hour, remove it from the freezer and stir your mixture around, scraping from the edges to get the parts that are more frozen. You're going to repeat this process over and over every half hour or so until your ice cream gets to the texture you want. There's no wrong texture. When it does get to the texture that you want, you're ready to just scoop it into whatever container you're going to eat it out of, and then it's finished. Like I said, there's no wrong texture, but I will say that this tends to melt pretty quickly, so as soon as you get it out of the freezer, you do want to serve it and eat it. And that's how you make sea salt ice cream from Kingdom Hearts. All right, guys, thanks so much for joining us for another installment of Fiction Kitchen. I hope you follow along and your recipe turns out amazing. This is one of those great recipes that is perfect for summer because it's super quick and easy to make. You can customize it countless ways, and who doesn't love ice cream in summer? If you're interested in more fiction-inspired recipes, check out our YouTube channel or check back each month and we'll have a new video out for you. If you're looking for something to read, come on into the library, or you can give us a call at 740-354-5688. We'd love to pair you with your next great read. Well, thanks for watching Fiction Kitchen, guys. We'll see you next time.